Hey everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to show you how to install our Defender Rock Slider sill top plates. They come in stainless, raw aluminum as I have here for Project 90, or we do them in a black powder coating with a little bit of texture to add some grip. It's a super easy install. Roll the intro and we'll meet back here at the sliders. Okay, what we're going to want to do is align the tread plate. You'll notice that it's curved. If you put it this way, it's going to be wonky. So we're going to want to put it this way. Center it. There's so much adjustability in these. I tend to bring it out a little bit so that it is sitting on the high point here. It'll help the plate from rattling. If you do get a rattle, depending on how the sliders were built and the strength of the aluminum plate, we can put a piece of single-sided rubber tape on it that'll stop any rattles. First thing we're going to do here is get our Allen head and our washer, drop it in place, get a little clamp. That is going to go essentially like that, but on the underside. And then add the nut to it. I'm gonna go into hyperspeed here, lay all these in, and then we'll move to the tightening down phase. With the tread plate exactly where you want it to be, like I said, I like to keep it on the high point here. We're going to use a number 4 Allen and a 10 mil and just ratchet everything down. This is the hardware that we're using, so future me, maybe we've found a different hardware that works a little bit better, but right now 4 and an 11. Let's hyperspeed these and tighten them down. Super easy install. Just remember the hardware is stainless. Don't get too aggressive tightening it down quickly because the stainless tends to gall. So take your time, get everything in place where you need it to be. And if you are getting a rattle, little piece of single sticky sided foam or rubber. Just for an example, put that under here, right where it touches the, doesn't want to play with me nice. Right where it would be on the corner of the rock slider, stick that down and that'll alleviate any rattles if you get it. And on that, guys, I'll see you in the next one.